Player TV. Just pulled over. I just pulled up to this corner. I'm in Boston and I seen this beautiful view. I said, let me just pull over to show the team me how this is looking. This view is beautiful right about this moment. I just pulled over to this corner. So I was driving over here and I said, look at this bridge and look at this view. Everything is a view, everything is a thought. It's the way you see things, it's the way you see yourself in it, you know what I mean? And if you see the beauty in everything, then you see the beauty in yourself and everything. That's why when they say love yourself, how can you love yourself if you on this earth to love someone else? You can love yourself too at that. That's that real narcissist, but you know what I mean? I tell people this, you gotta love someone else, love yourself, and continue to keep loving, because this nature is so beautiful that when people say, oh, to respect, you need two people to respect your significant other and you. So like I said, to love someone, you need two people to love. And that second one is your significant other. But you gotta love everything, man. And I see myself in everything and everything. So this view is bananas. The bridge, going across. Whatever else is going on out here, beauty's everything, nature's everything. Telling people you gotta get in tune. I just finished grounding myself for a little 45 minutes. And that's what it is. You gotta ground yourself, man. See yourself in people, places, and things, and in the most positive environments. And it is what it is. It's your boy. I'm Mike. It's me. Loving myself and loving y'all for being on, for tuning in, and for tuning yourselves. Ground yourselves and keep doing the most righteous things y'all could, day in and day out. Because a lot of people want to run game on you and run game on the game, but you can't run game on the game. The game is not to be played with, it's just to live life. Everybody talk about playing games. I don't play games. But I'm gonna show you these shirts. I'm around like 2 or 3 churches out here, but you already know I don't rock. I already know what I am. I don't knock religion, but it is what it is. The view is beautiful. It is what it is. So let me just stop and show the team me plays the view real quick to keep up the positive work day in and day out. It is what it is. Stay positive. In divine timing, things will happen. In divine timing, things will go on. In divine timing, you know what I mean? Everything is at the right moment, right moments. And in the divine time, it will pop up and will manifest that for you. But you gotta move forward, cause of effect, take action to what it is that you want in life and what you want to manifest that at the most positive way. In the most positive way ever that you can even think of. But just chilling, just admiring the view. You know, you can stand in the corner and mash and everybody look at you funny, but funny is the person who ain't standing out here with you. You know what I mean? The truth work with you, the lie stays behind. You know what I mean? The truth will always walk. At the end of the day. So I don't stand for the low self-vibrational frequency of thoughts and movements, but we're here to upgrade this, you know what I mean? And vibrate to a high frequency. Stay neutral, man. But it is what it is. I'm just enjoying this view. Just enjoying myself. You have to enjoy yourself sometimes. If you don't enjoy yourself, who's going to enjoy yourself with you? Nobody. So you have to enjoy yourself first so others can see that you enjoy yourself so they can link up with you. It is what it is. And I ain't mad at those who you know what I mean, who came and left at the same time. You know what I mean? You gotta respect those who come into your life and then leave. Sooner or later you meet up with them, sooner or later. Or you don't meet up with them at all. It's just another chapter that you gotta close. Sometimes you gotta close chapters in your life. Remember, you have chapters. Every year's a chapter. Sometimes you gotta close them and sometimes you gotta open new ones. I'm opening new ones. And that's what it is. Staying focused all the time. As long as you stay focused on your mission, on your and what it is, your future, all in the now, everything will come. I've done so many things in my life. It's not even funny, man. I done ran through so much money, I ain't know what to do with it in the Babylon state of frame of mind, though. I keep telling people, when you're in a low frequency, you can have all the money in the world, won't even know what to do with it. You burned all day. But now that you're consciously aware, you know what I mean? Day in and day out, know where to put that money and where to invest it, and to continue to keep making residual income, because the world goes round, and then others can eat off of that. And enjoy the moment. These moments don't come as often, you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta love the day of. Forget about tomorrow, forget about yesterday. You know what I mean? People who live in the future or in the past, and they not living the now, they just be lost. Just live the now for now, man. And stop worrying about tomorrow and start worrying about yesterday, man. Worry about right now, man. Go love your significant other. Go tell your significant other you love them. Tell your kids you love them, man. Tell your boy, yo, you keep up the good work if they doing something positive. And if they doing something negative, you know what I mean? Tell them something positive so they can change their way of thinking. And somebody hit you with the one too positive thought, and you just like, wow, I needed to hear that. Sometimes other people need to hear other people so positive, and when you could do that, it is what it is. So, and positivity is everything, man. So everybody got to stay positive at all times, man. When people don't want to do that, then they want to be the opposite of positive. But I'm out here. It is what it is. Show my face so they can see who it is speaking. It is Ether. And keep up the good work, Team Me players and Team Me males and femininity. Keep up the good work for yourself. It's your boy Ether. Staying positive at all times. Nobody can stop this. Only you can stop yourself. Nobody can stop you but you. Always remember that. Stop blaming others for what you lack. Let's blame ourselves and let's get the job done, and let's correct our mistakes. Because for every mistake you can correct it. For every problem is a solution. So you gotta love life and continue to love life, and love yourself too in the process. But I'm gonna let y'all go with them thoughts real quick. It is what it is, man. I just got on just to say what up, just to show you the view that I'm looking at. It's beautiful out here. It is what it is. Just get back in my VI. Get love. Keep positive. Stay up, man. Masculine and femininity. Stay up.